Welcome class 7. Today again we will do the division of decimal numbers by a whole number. So if there is a decimal number which is getting divided by any whole number such as 24.57 getting divided by 9. So it's a normal simple division that we have learned earlier. We will first take 24.57 and divide it by 9. Simply we will do the division. So first 9 will divide 24. So 9 times 2 gives us 18, and 24 minus 18 when you subtract you will get 6. Now before you bring this 5 down here, there is a decimal point which needs to be removed. So you'll remove this decimal from here to here. Okay, so you'll shift the decimal first from here to here this way, and then you'll bring this 5 down here. So now the number 65 needs to be divided by 9. So 9 times 7 gives 63, and subtracting 63 from 65 will get 2, and we'll bring down this 7 now. So bringing 7 gives us 27 down here. Now 9 will divide this 27 3 times. So 9 times 3 equals 27, and when you subtract 27 minus 27 you will get remainder 0. So your quotient is 2.73. So we can say over here 24.57 divided by 9 is equal to 2.73. So the division by a whole number is very simple. You all know how to do division. You all know how to divide a number. So it's similarly in exact way you have to do the division. Only remember that whenever you are bringing down the numbers which are behind the decimal point, you will bring down these numbers only after shifting the decimal from here to the quotient side. Okay, if you remove the decimal first, then if you bring the numbers down, then your work will be correct. Okay. Next is division of a decimal number by another decimal number. So here I have taken an example of 8.64 divided by 0.4. Here both the dividend and the divisor have the decimal points. So the one which divides, the divisor 0.4, has a decimal in front of one digit. So the first thing that you will do is you will remove the decimal from the divisor. Okay, from the divisor, not from the dividend. Okay, the one which gets divided, not from that one, the number which will be used to divide, that number needs to be free of decimal point. So the first thing is you'll remove this decimal. Let's shift the decimal towards right. If you shift it one place towards right, then 0.4 will become free of decimal. It will become 4. Okay, so if you shift the decimal from 1 point towards right, okay, you have to do the exact thing with the dividend also. So the point moves from left to right, okay, one place towards right, and it comes in between 6 and 4. So one place towards right it becomes 4, and one place towards right this number becomes 86.4. So you'll get 86.4 being divided by 4. So here it was only one number after the decimal, so you shifted one place. If there are two numbers after the decimal, that means you need to shift 2 places towards right and do exactly the same thing with the number out here. So here we have 86.4 divided by 4. Now let's divide 86.4 by the whole number 4. Now this division will be exactly the one which we have done earlier. So just simply divide it by 4. So 4 times 2 gives 8, and 8 minus 8 gives 0. Now we'll bring down 6. Okay, it's before the decimal, so we can easily bring down 6. So 4 times 1 is equal to 4, and 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now there is a decimal point which needs to be shifted up in the quotients place. So bring the decimal up there, and now you can bring down this 4 out here. Alright, now 4 can divide 24 6 times. So 4 times 6 is equal to 24, and the remainder is equal to 0. So the quotient we have obtained is 21.6, and that's the answer for dividing 86.4 by 4. So 21.6 is the required answer.